Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po ay magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Jerome, priest and doctor. He is known to be the translator of the Bible into Latin, the common language of his time. He is famous with this quotation, ignorance of the Bible is ignorance of Christ. My dear brothers and sisters, normally, we do not like to confront pains in life. We do not like suffering or experiencing excruciating pains in our lives. Our first reaction when there is pain, when there is hardship, difficulties, is to avoid them. Yung bang mas mabuti na lang yung dead malice, patay mali siya. We want to avoid, run away from these pains, from these hardships and difficulties in our lives. Or if we cannot end, or we cannot avoid these pains, these sufferings, these difficulties, then we would rather choose to end this pain, this suffering as soon as possible. Yung madalian na lang, yung mabilisan para tapos na yung paghirap. Why? Because we want to live a happy life. Why? Because we want to have a comfortable life. I think no one will choose the cross. I think no one will choose the sufferings. No one will choose pains, but we would rather choose happiness, comfortable life, easy life, light moments in our life. Our gospel reading today is the second proclamation of Jesus about His suffering and death. Pero nung marinig ito ng mga alagad, dinedma nila ito. Narinig nila pero hindi nila pinansin dahil siguro hindi na naintindihan at hindi nila matanggap. My dear brothers and sisters, truth is not something that we want simply to hear. But truth, most of the times, is the reality or the things that we need to hear. Kahit masakit, pero kailangan nating marinig sapagkat ito yung tama at totoo. At ito yung kadalasan ayaw nating mapakinggan kung ano yung totoo kasi nasasaktan tayo, kasi nahihirapan tayo. Kaya kahit ito yung totoo, gusto nating takbuhan, layuan, o kaya naman i-twist yung katotohanan. Pero hindi po natin malatatakbuhan ang katotohanan at hindi natin pwedeng palitan ang katotohanan. We simply have to ask the Lord to grant us the courage to accept the truth and to live by this truth. Kasi kapag sa totoo tayo kumapit at namuhay, wala tayong dapat ikatakot at ikahiya sapagkat ito yung totoo. And we ask the Lord to have that keen observance and at the same time keen or wisdom to know the truth. Sana po ito yung pagkaloob at hingi natin sa Diyos. At sana rin po hingi natin sa Diyos yung kakayanan na yakapin ang krus ng buhay natin. Remember, there is no other way to reach heaven, to reach the promised land, than the way of the cross. And we are able to embrace this cross, then we are assured that we are on the right track, on the right path. Let us embrace our cross and let these crosses of our life lead us closer to God. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.